on the beat. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Gabby, aka Gab Million, and I'm back again with another video. As you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing the ugly teeth prank on people. So of course they're going to see a pretty face, and then by the time you look, you know, out of nowhere, I'm just going to smile, and then they're going to see ugly, disgusting teeth. You feel me? But guys, without further ado, hold on. Before we even get into this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. And don't forget to leave a like and also a comment down below. Come on now. And if you didn't check out my last video, what are you doing? Check it out. Check it out, because guys, it is such a banger. It is so funny. Check it out and show me support. I'm at 420 right now, guys, and I'm going to 500 by the end of July. So guys, do me a favor and share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright. Alright guys, so I put makeup on this teeth. I can't talk. Alright guys, so I put makeup on the teeth, right? To make them look more realistic and stuff like that. But this is the ugly teeth, y'all, that I'm gonna be putting in my mouth. Just look at my pretty face and this. Alright guys, without further ado, I ain't gonna keep you long. You just noticed this is gonna be very funny. But once again, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, because brother, this is gonna be a funny video. A funny prank. So stay tuned. Alright.
Hallelujah, Jesus.
Oh god. Nothing else to do. I'm bored on the board. No, it's not like that. Alright. So y'all, we're gonna get right into the video. Ugly. Jesus, I'm so good. Ugly. Alright, so we're gonna connect it now. Alright, we already know. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
What are you up to today?
Just chilling. Yeah.
What's the weather there today? Good?
Huh?
Rainy? What's the weather there?
Funny.
Is the weather sunny or is it dark?
He was like, yeah, okay. He told her teeth, was like, oh no. Hi. Hi.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I was waiting for you to show her. He knows up to something. He looked like Mr. Jackie Chan looked like, what is she about to do, bro? And then when he saw me, he just skipped. He didn't even say hello to me. That's so rude. Hi.
Hello?
How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Hallelujah, Jesus.
He said, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Warmth Your Teeth.
Huh?
What happened there?
Condition.
Oh, is it? Okay, where you from?
Jersey.
Nigeria. Nigeria. Sorry, my bad. So I didn't quite hear that. What did you say?
Jersey.
Okay. Oh, Jersey.
Yeah.
Oh, in America. Okay, I'm from the UK.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah. I'm from the London.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Let's see. What's America saying?
Huh?
What's America? What's America saying?
Oh. Are you feeling like those stuff? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. All right.
Yeah. But like, I'm beautiful, right? Like, hi. I'm good. How are you? Jersey?
What?
Jersey. I can't see your face.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I can't.
I need friends.
I'll get her.
I don't care about the people. I need to get my little napkin. Where you from?
Jersey.
Really?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
He was like, "You're so pretty." He's so fancy. He was just like, "Nah." He's like, "Not again, catfish. Not again." Hi.
Hi.
You're so pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Alex.
Hmm?
Don't make you know that. It's in Europe.
Oh wow. Okay. Aw. What?
Where are you from? America?
Yeah.
I could tell.
Why?
Your accent.
Oh, yes. You're so pretty though. I like your teeth.
Okay.
Hi.
I'm fine. You?
I'm good.
I see. Are you from United States?
Yes. Where are you from? Thailand?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You say you're East, by the way?
I need braces.
What happened to you?
I need prayer.
I see. Is it okay?
Not really. I need prayer. Prayer.
Hallelujah, Jesus.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. By the way, how old are you?
19.
19.
Mm-hmm.
Which city you are living?
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
He was really concerned, like, yo, what's wrong with your teeth, bro? He was concerned. He asked me, oh, that's sweet. He's concerned. Because some people looked at me like, and he just exit me.
No shade, please. What's up?
Hi.
Good. How you doing?
I'm good. Huh? Why? I'm good. I'm good chilling.
Oh, you cute.
Thank you.
What is that in your nose?
My tooth?
That can't be your teeth.
Why is that?
That can't be your teeth. You got
No teeth. Like, what are you talking about? I'm retarded. But guys, so basically, right, I got skip from like the head, to the swell of my feet. Me get skip, like skip constantly, guys. But they just probably just knew I was coming with something crazy. But anyways, guys, if you like that video, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new video, guys. Yes, might be a little late with posting, but don't worry, I'm gonna be consistent as time progresses. So without further ado, see you guys.